What is up, Telescopes? It's your girl TreLuxe, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be starting this video off with a Black Friday haul. And I really wanted to include my main crush products in this video, but unfortunately they still have not arrived. So I did reach out to USPS and they told me that my package was lost. Oh hell no! So that is super unfortunate. Even though I really wish my products were here, I'm not upset because I already reached out to Main Crush and they're gonna be sending me a new box as soon as possible. So I'm just waiting for those and I will be unboxing that as soon as it gets here. I can't wait for you guys to see what I got and I cannot wait to try it out. And Main Crush is just once again one of my favorite brands. Like, they're just on it and just really just amazing customer service. Period. So this video is going to be all about TreLuxe, and this is a brand that my sister already loves. She's been raving about them for a while now. I think she was using like 2 or 3 of their products and she just thought they were bomb. These products did take a little bit of time to get here, but from what I've been hearing from her, they are well worth the wait. After I finish the haul, I am going to be trying one of the products, and it is the Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. So this is the first product that I'm going to show you guys, just because it's already in the title. My sister actually tried this product last week and she loved it, and she told me that I was gonna love it too. So I already know this is gonna be amazing. She said it is super moisturizing and she was like, what did they put in this? How is it so good? So I'm really looking forward to this review. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my telescopes. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video. And also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. So I picked up 5 products from TreLuxe. I think I actually got all of their products. It's called the 360 Curls Collection. Oh no. It's called the 360 Degrees Curls Collection Product Bundle. And it is originally $87, which I feel like is already a deal for their products because their products are pretty pricey. So that's at least a few dollars off already. And in addition to the discount for buying the whole bundle, TreLuxe was also having a 30% off sale. And this really isn't the kind of sale that I was looking for Black Friday. Of course, you know, I want the 50% or more. Of course. But I feel like TreLuxe doesn't really have sales like that, and their products are expensive. And I've been hearing such good things from my sister. I just felt like I should just do it. I have a feeling that I'm not going to regret that decision at all. But I do need to know from you guys what kind of style you want to see from me. Should I do a braid out or a twist out with these products? And what should the combo be? Should I put them all together? Should I just do 2? Should I do 3? Just let me know down below in the comments after you see which products I have. And I mean, like I said, I got all of them. After you see all the products, just let me know what you guys want to see. Or should I do a wash and go? You guys know I would love to do a wash and go. Just let me know. There isn't a deep conditioner in this collection, so I won't be able to deep condition with TreLuxe, which is a little bit unfortunate. I'm sure their deep conditioner would be bomb. So I will just be jumping right into styling with TreLuxe after I use this cleansing rinse. But I'm not going to do that this wash day just because I don't know yet what you guys want to see. So I'll probably do that next wash day or the wash day after that. Okay, now it's time for the haul, and I'm once again going to start with the Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. It says it's sulfate free, it's for all curl types, and it's color safe. It has the 360 Degrees Curls Complex with tomato extract, and it gently cleanses, detangles, and replenishes moisture for healthy, resilient curls. So that already sounds amazing. And then it says 360 Degrees Confidence Collection. So it's a part of the 360 Degrees Confidence Collection and the 360 Degrees Curls Collection. I'm here for it. And it says no parabens, no silicones, no sulfates, and no artificial color. And it is 8 fluid ounces. I'm going to tell you guys more about this one later in the review, so please stay tuned for that. The next product is the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. It says it's for wavy, curly, and coily hair. And it also has the 360 Degrees Curls Complex with tomato extract. It says it detangles, nourishes, and replenishes moisture for lively curls. Oh, they have a really great way of describing their products. And it also says it's a part of the 360 Degrees Confidence Collection with no parabens, silicones, sulfates, or artificial color. And it is 8 fluid ounces. This is what the product looks like. This is, I think, the only product that my sister has not tried from them. So I'll let you guys know what she thinks about it when she tries it. The next product in the collection is the Reflex Curl Styling Serum. It says it's botanical, lightweight, and anti-frizz. And it says that it creates bouncy, silky, natural curls with a flexible hold. This is what this one looks like. My sister has been using this product for quite a while now. She got it from Whole Foods maybe 5 months ago. So she's been loving it, and she's been using it in her, she has a kind of mixture that she uses, although she's kind of switching it up right now. And she just did a kinky curly wash and go, which is looking bomb. I really wish you guys could see it. I really wish you could. She's actually agreed to let me do her hair on camera, so that'll be coming soon. I'll probably do some twists, some 3-strand twists or some 2-strand twists. I haven't decided yet, but it's gonna be popping, and I can't wait for you guys to see it and to see a little bit of her. And hopefully I can get her on here for a twin tag, a sister tag, or just maybe even a natural hair tag, anything. I'll see what I can do. 2021 is the year that Carice comes on my channel. I am speaking it into existence. It is happening. Even though my sister has been using these products and she told me that she really likes them, she hasn't really told me anything about the way they feel and just the way they apply. So these will be new reviews for me. So I don't want you guys to think I know everything about these products. I really don't know much. I just know that Curl and Restore cleansing rinse is supposed to leave my hair really moisturized. So I am just, like I said, really looking forward to this review that it's about to happen.
That is not correct.
The next product is the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. It's supposed to hydrate, strengthen, protect, and style. And it creates lustrous, moisturized, and defined curls with a soft hold. And this is 8 ounces. So this just already sounds like a cream that I need to try for a twist out or a braid out. This is what it looks like. And I can finally show you guys what one of the products looks like because it is in a jar. Okay, this is what it looks like, and look how creamy that looks. It honestly looks like marshmallow fluff. Okay, TreLuxe. I cannot wait to try this for a twist out or a braid out all on its own. So let me know what you guys want to see first. Or also let me know if you guys would like to see me battle this out against something first. Should it be a Camille Rose TreLuxe battle? That sounds like something very interesting. The last product that I purchased from TreLuxe is another one that my sister has really been loving and she's been using for months. And it is the High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. It's long lasting for defined curls. It says it gives long lasting curl definition, luminous shine, and moisture balance. And it is 8 ounces. And this is what it looks like. And this is another one that I can show you guys. This is in a jar. Alright, this is what it looks like, and look how jiggly it is. I love when my gel and jelly type of products are really jiggly like this. I just feel like it's gonna give me bomb results. Jiggle jiggle.
Boy,
Alright, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little haul, and now it's time to get into the review. So this is what the product actually looks like. And look at that, it already looks like it is going to be just really nice. I haven't even rubbed it in yet. And now that I'm doing that, oh, it feels really good. It's very shiny for a shampoo. And it does start to become white very quickly as I rub it in. And I don't really know what it smells like. I don't really love the smell, but it's not bad. I really don't know. It kind of smells like a nice kind of soap kind of smell. It's not bad at all, but it's not really my favorite. Alright, I'm going to get started by spraying my hair with some warm water, and then I'm going to start applying this cleansing rinse, and then I'm going to give you guys the deets on this product as I'm applying it. product says Curl, Renew, and Restore. This sulfate-free, silicone-free, moisturizing cleansing rinse is formulated to gently cleanse and remove buildup while replenishing moisture and making detangling a breeze. Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse uses mild plant-based cleansing agents that bind dirt and impurities, allowing them to easily rinse away, while all-natural squalane, olive-derived, an ingredient also contained in the scalp's natural oils, replenishes lost moisture. The formula is infused with slippery elm extract to gently detangle knots, as our all-natural 360 degrees curls complex fortifies hair from within, leaving each strand strengthened, lustrous, and tangle-free. The key ingredients are coconut milk and slippery elm extract, and the active botanical ingredients are olive squalane, an all-natural moisturizer, and 360 degree curls complex with tomato extract and amino acids to hydrate and strengthen and define. This product also says purchase with purpose. Proceeds from this product help inspire confidence in at-risk girls through our A Natural Fit community initiative. It says how to use. Allow warm water to flow through hair until hair is soaking wet. Apply half a pump of Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse to hands. Gently massage Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse throughout scalp, then massage through hair. Rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat as needed. For additional moisture and detangling, apply Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner throughout hair strands. So they're not even saying deep condition after this cleansing rinse. They're saying you can go straight into your leave-in conditioner. I'm of course not going to do that, but that is lit that they think you can. Hey telescopes, I just finished applying this cleansing rinse to my hair and look at it. What is happening? What is TreLuxe up to? What in the magic? What in the trickery? This cleansing rinse goes on really nicely. It does have a lather, but it's not a super heavy one. It's not like a lot of suds, but you do get some. I'm sure you get even more inside the shower because I did see them trying to come out. I just feel like, I'm not getting enough water outside of the shower to really have the suds popping. It definitely made my curls pop, 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 pop.
Pop, 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 pop.
It doesn't give me a tingly scalp sensation, but that's okay. It does have my scalp feeling fresh though. Like even though it's not really tingling, it feels nice. So I can't wait to rinse it out and see how my scalp feels after that, because I do feel like it's gonna feel really nice and clean and my strands are gonna feel so moisturized. The packaging does say that you can detangle with this cleansing rinse, and I did try that a little bit, but and it kind of worked. I just don't really like to detangle with cleansers, so I just kind of didn't like it, but it did feel like it is something that can work. It's not like you definitely can't detangle with this. You probably can. It just is not really my cup of tea. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out, and I am fully expecting to be shook when I return. Hey telescopes, I'm back and I just rinsed out the cleansing rinse. So let me show you guys what my hair is looking like, because it just hit different. This one just hit real different. I'm already just having really good luck with shampoos in 2021. That Anasi was really good last week, or that was like maybe 2 weeks ago. It was really good. This one was better. I don't even have to do a battle to know that this one was better, even though I really like that one too. I could do a battle, but I feel like I already know the results. This one I'm gonna for sure have to battle against my Spellbound, my #1 shampoo, and let you guys know what I think. Okay, this is what the first side is looking like. And it just looks and feels so good. So soft, so moisturized. And it even feels pretty detangled like they said. You know what? This cleansing rinse legit does it all. Like what? My hair feels detangled. My hair usually feels sort of tangled after shampooing no matter what shampoo I use. Just because, you know, I'm massaging my scalp, it's like tangling as I do that. And this one, like I said, it hit different. It hit different. And this is what my scalp is looking like after the cleansing rinse. This is what the other side is looking like. And this side feels just as good. I swear it feels even better. Okay, TreLuxe and I are definitely about to be besties, and now I'm even more excited to try those styling products. So please let me know what you guys want to see down below in the comments so I can do that. I am ready to do a twist out, a braid out, a wash and go, literally anything with these products. So just let me know. I have absolutely no problem giving this cleansing rinse a 10 out of 10. I'm thinking about giving it a 12 out of 10 because this is really a next level cleanser, especially with the detangling factor. I can't believe, like it said it has slippery elm in it and it does not lie. It just, yes, TreLuxe, yes. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.